this video, we will see how query expansion is implemented. Expansion is the process of reformulating a seed query to improve retrieval performance in information retrieval operations. For example, I might want information about Rahul as in Rahul Gandhi, and I give the query Rahul. Then seeing the results, I change my query. I write his profession. My new query would be something like Rahul Politics. Refine their queries by analyzing the results from initial queries. Automating this process is a highly beneficial task for fulfilling the information needs of the user and satisfying him or her. The method we have used for query expansion is docklist-QE method. This method uses both documents and clusters that are similar to the query to perform the expansion. Our approach includes two main steps, offline process and online process. And offline process, we have three steps. First, creating indexes of all the individual files of the dataset. Second, clustering the documents. Third, identifying the cluster tags. The online process would include adding synonyms to the seed query, reweighting the query, and doing an initial search from which we'll have top n results and also C clusters. And we get M terms for query expansion. In pseudo-relevance feedback, we check if the M terms for query expansion we have got actually improve the search results or not. If P10 is not improved, then we exclude those terms. If P10 is improved, we take these M terms to be the final terms for query expansion. The reason for doing clustering of documents is that clusters capture context information better than individual documents. For clustering, we have used S-cluster program of Cluto. Two main tools we have used to build the system are Cluto 2.1 and Lucene 4.0. Cluto is a high-dimensional clustering tool. Lucene is a tool for creating, reading, and searching indexes. Now let us give a query and see how the system works. My query is Sachin Dravid Ganguly. Top 20 documents in which these words have the highest likelihood to be present are given, and details of each document is also presented. And we have suggestions for terms for query expansion from 3 different clusters, which when weighed will give us final expansion terms list. Now this final expansion terms list has team, cricket, Saurav, captain, India, and so on. Now let us append these terms to the seed query and see how the results in P1, P2, P5 and P10 improve. My new query, the expanded query is Sachin Dravid Ganguly, team, cricket, Saurav, captain. And we can see an improvement in the results of P1, P2, P5 and P10. Let me give a new query, Rahul Congress. And I get party, government, minister as the final expansion terms.